Hang on under the door.
Stone, what's going on? You guys hear me? You guys hear me and see me, Stone? What's up, bro? There. The flight was delayed. Hey, Amelia. David. Guys, alright, good. Hot. Alright, I gotta skin up. Market gapped up. Good to see everyone. How's it going? Wow, nice gap up. It was like the first inside bar might have actually worked. Oh wow. 36 points. Kind of forget I'm on 50s there. So, Dell. Hey Dan, what's going on? Dean, BKR, what's happening? Discipline Trader. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a good weekend. All right, so I'm working on this Apex eval. I passed a bunch the other day. I got to go in and sign them all. I failed 2 PAs. I got 2 here. 2,500 on this one. 2,500 on this one on day 1. And then I passed a bunch. And then I ended up getting rebuild for a few others. So got a few of those Apexes. I'm still waiting on my Pro Plus account. Turn on the AC. I know. I gotta. Ah. There. Sup, Methodical? What's going on? Wait, what a gap. Monster gap open there. I just got off the flight here. You thinking about a long, Methodical? Think we hold that gap? That is a pretty monster gap. Shit, you know what I think I did? I think I have the wrong laptop charger. Oh well. Well, I'll go until the laptop dies. I was like, it's not charging. I was looking at the Harami. Yeah. Oh, nowhere fancy, BKR. Nowhere fancy. Remember that show, Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego? Well, we did technically put it in a Harami myth. Technically. Oh boy, that's an ugly one, isn't it? So I'm working on this eval, guys. I just got rebuild. I'm working on, I think I have 9 PAs now. I think these are all passed. A lot of these are passed. I think I have 9 total. $951s. Kind of makes you wonder if we're gonna push down into that gap. Is this chair gonna break on me? Feels like it. I'm not in the 5-star Wynn Hotel methodical. I can tell you that. Yeah, Amelia. I'm going to pass this 100K static this week. Mark my words. Oh yeah, Dell, for sure. I'm short for the gap fill. Let's go. Kind of feels like it, but man. Hey Eddie, what's happening? Yeah, not the win with this AC unit. 100% Amelia. I need some more payouts to pay for a fancier hotel. But still do all right. I'm just gonna be here for like a few nights. You long methodical? Probably not a bad long. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Let's take a look at gold too. See what gold's doing. Lands got wrecked. Methodical. There's landscapers out there with the leaf blower. I thought it was the AC unit. I was like, it better not be making that noise. If it is, I'm changing rooms. So yeah, it sucks. I grabbed the wrong laptop charger, of course. I have the charger for my other laptop, my Chromebook. But I still have I have 80% battery life, so I'll have to go to Best Buy tomorrow and get another charger or something. Hey Andreas, what's going on? Oh, I hope you had a good weekend too. Yeah, good leaf blowers going. Yeah, I forgot the charger at home. I have the wrong one. I grabbed the wrong charger, of course. All right, back to NASDAQ. Boy, it wrecked you methodical, and then now it's trying to run again. many points is that? Boy. We headed for that gap fill? I'm gonna try a short here. This is probably a mistake. I might get out of this real quick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out of this. I'm out of it. Might actually try it long, actually. Wrecks me every time. Even the market can't decipher if the tariffs are not or what they are. Yeah. Hey, Simon of Lee, what's going on? You trading gold much lately? I've been spending more time on it after this week's craziness. So, I don't trade gold that often. Sometimes. I actually like trades by Slade. Maybe he's listening. I like his gold trend line strategy. You see, like, there's a nice one kind of going on right here. I don't really know exactly how he trades it, but I tend to like watching gold for trend line breaks and things like that on the 5 minute. But yeah, I don't trade it that often. Occasionally, you'll see me trading a gold contract on stream. I have a granola bar, guys. Starving. I love these Nature Valley granola bars, but they're so messy. Yeah, that's what I got one of those honey oat Nature Valley things. I just picked up. It crumbles like funded accounts. Yeah, you're not wrong there. What's going on, Zabak? Funded next. Forex giant entering futures next week. So they just dropped their product plan with a 15% performance bonus. Huh, that's interesting, Zabak. Oh, the price is high. Yeah, speaking of YM, Amelia, let's take a look at YM. Oh, YM looks like a YM filled the gap. I'm gonna try along here in YM. Still pretty volatile for YM this time of night. Pretty big candles. Not liking anything on NASDAQ right now. YM came down, filled the gap. Maybe I should have waited for a little bit of a pullback. I'd like to place a stop like down here. I guess I can. Just place a stop just below low. This is on eval only too, guys. I don't really love that candle on YM, but technically it's really not a Harami. Go back to NASDAQ. Appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm sorry I was late. Top Step has a performance bonus, basically covers taxes. Yeah, I see that they have a performance bonus. No, they didn't give a price yet. Just sign up. You get 30% discount code for when it launches, so why not? Nothing to lose from that. So I think it's good for us, you know, as streamers and stuff. The more people that get interested in futures, it's, you know, obviously good for my channel, Methodical's channel, all that. So like, I'm never mad at like the big streamers and stuff because it still brings a lot of people into the industry. Oh wow, Amelia, $1,000 with one YM contract. That's a lot. Honest take, what's going on? Oh, cool, Andreas. I'll take a look. So along YM, NASDAQ looks like it wants. Ooh, look at that. Looking like it wants to pull back. It's probably not good for our YM. YM did fill the gap, but perhaps it goes lower if YM keeps pushing. I mean, NASDAQ keeps pushing to fill that gap. Other guy's running the chainsaw out there. So I'm long YM, but I'm still looking at NASDAQ. You can either live in the past or live in the future, Show Jim, yeah. 50K account looks... Oh, appreciate you, honest take. Yeah, everyone smash the like button. Appreciate that, guys. Hey, we hit over... You guys are just tuning in. We hit over 1,000 subs last week. Pretty amazing. Really grateful. We ended up getting the My Funded Futures code, a Take Profit Trader code. Use code PINE. I really appreciate the support, guys. My small channel. That's what keeps me motivated. That's why we do it. Really excited about the growth of the channel, to be honest with you. 50K accounts looks good. I don't know anyone ever go from having to make 1-to-1 to have to make 2-to-1 with only 500 more in drawdown for the 100K account. Trying to stay away from the funded account until you get the payout. Yeah, I'll have to look at the plans, Andreas. All right, taking a little heat here. Hopefully it's kind of making a little bull flag pattern here. I like how it filled the gap. Looks like we started to break out there. It started to fail, but looks like we got equal highs up there. Not quite. Amelia, you're waiting for a payout? Oh yeah. But Bielanox, yeah. So Bielanox is 75% off, guys. Option 2. So the end of day is 2. If you guys want to use Pine, I set it all up. Appreciate you guys. Not a bad deal on the end of day accounts. Not a bad deal. Hey Donna, how are you? Oh Dane, what's going on? I'm only 400 away from passing the 250K eval for Apex. Oh, nice. That's a nice one to have. I don't want to rush it because I've been here like 3 times last week. Yeah, those bigger accounts are pretty nice to have if you can pass them. I tried to pass a few on stream last week, and it didn't work out so well. If you're ever waiting for a payout but want to trade, go buy an eval. Don't take the chance for waiting on the payout account. Yes, I 100% agree with you, Amelia. Get your trading fix with a cheap eval, you know? Good practice. I mean, I'm to the point now in my trading career where I can't trade a demo, like a true demo account. I gotta have some skin in the game, you know? Trader 007, what's going on? Anyone notice the wealth charge for Apex has slippage? Yeah, I'd never actually used wealth charts. $100%. Losing $100 for an eval is better than losing 3K payout. Yeah, 100%. So is anyone still having trouble with Take Profit Trader activating their pro accounts? I'm just curious. I'm still waiting on my Pro Plus account, but I am pulling back too. Oh, you did get your credit? So yeah, there was a bit of a glitch over the weekend, I heard, that Methodical Man is referring to. They had a little glitch in the not giving the credit, and apparently that's been taken care of. That part. Yeah, they're having a little issues with their dashboard, but some people are getting their accounts and then some people are not. It's a little weird. I don't know what's going on, but I was just kind of curious. Bit of a glitch, but I'm sure that everything's going to be taken care of just fine. Been waiting since Thursday. Yazin. That's weird. Oh, excuse me. I have a problem with them activating mine, but they reached out to me and let me know I would have to pay for my activation because it was a credit I redeemed to trade the value. Oh, okay, Hodane, yeah, that makes sense. TPT when signing it up never sends my email verification after clicking resend. Oh, that's weird, Rick Show. So I think they're going through some growing pains, for sure. I'm gonna take this short. Where's Methodical's target? 910? I like it. I'm gonna copy trade Methodical. He's really good at those targets. I'm trying to learn myself. So here's the problem. We're short YM, long YM, short NASDAQ. I never liked that. Sometimes it works out. They don't always move at the same time, together. If you guys ever watch Tom Hugard, he trades both. And oftentimes, it's... I'm gonna get out of this YM. I don't like it. It's kind of bull flaggy on the YM, but it's just drifting lower. My thinking was, we filled the gap. We put in this pretty bullish candle. I was looking for some momentum up through, maybe even the 578 and above, 600. And we've just been fading ever since. So now we're in short NASDAQ. Jason MA, what's happening? If you reset a TPT, no fee, it costs $100, but do I get the free activation for the reset? That's a good question, Jay. So does anyone know, Methodical, do you know that? I forgot, I think if you use a promo code to begin with, you're good, but yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, you're good. You should be good, Jason. Yeah, guys, right now, no fee 30% off, take profit trader. I appreciate it. A few of you guys have already used my code PINE. I just got it last Friday. So if you guys could use my code, help support my baby channel, I really appreciate it. And the sale's still going on. It's usually one of the best sales that they run. You don't see... Sometimes you'll see a 40% off, but that's very rare. Very rare. But $119 all in, get paid on day one. You guys saw a couple of my short videos and long form videos, how I've been slaying the daily payouts this year. And I am waiting. I have a take profit trader that I have passed, that I'm just flipping days right now. And I'm waiting on my Pro Plus account. And I got thinking about it, guys. So I made that 10K 2 Fridays ago on the Pro account. And then on stream the other day, I think it was Thursday, I took out the 5K, so 50% at 80-20 split, right? I should have waited for my Pro Plus account because that would have been a 90-10 split. So I essentially cost myself $500. So I did get that payout. They did send that payout. But I got thinking, I should have just waited till I had the Pro Plus account and then traded one day, even if I flipped today, to be honest with you, and then taken out 50% of it for 90-10 split instead of the 80-20. So that was my bad. If that makes sense. Yes, you can reset, rebill it as many times as you want and get the discount you paid for. Alright, thank you, Andreas. Thank you, Methodical. Hey, Guy, what's going on? What's up, Guy? Apex 90% coming, cover the 3 million payout, you think? Or just these streamer specific 90%? I hope they have a good sale coming up, Andreas. Yeah. Wow. There we go, methodical. I'm moving my stop to break even. Oof. Oof. Come on. Really? Boy, tested that low and then just bounced pretty hard. But that was in the pro account. They might not let you. Yeah, I think they would have. I think they would have moved. It was top of the hour. I wasn't even paying attention. I moved my stop to break even on that move. Probably, yeah, of course. It's all right. Wow, that was a good 38-point candle. I might get in again. Yeah, I thought it was, I moved it just too quick. I thought we were gonna take out that low there. You know, if it was NYC, we would have definitely taken out that low probably. Sorry, I might be able to get in a little bit better price. But we are pushing up here now. Pretty bullish candle there. Beat pop. Bear bolt. Yeah, blip. Yeah. Yeah, Andreas. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So anything over 5K, they move to Pro Plus. This is the profit split, not the Pro Plus. Oh, okay. Thank you, Andreas. So I guess I didn't lose out on 500. I wasn't that upset about it, but I was just thinking, I was like, oh, well, I should have just waited. But yeah, I guess that's the case. They already figured that out on Andreas. They already figured that shit out, huh? All right, currently down like 600 bucks on this evaluation. You picked up 10 Walmart puts before Friday's close. Nice guy. Good luck with that. It's gonna be another week. What do we have for news this week? So we just got out break even there. I'm in short again. Check out what we got for news on the Forex Factory. FOMC members tomorrow. Dang, lagging. We got CPI, Canada, 7:30. We got Powell speaking on Wednesday. Unemployment claims Thursday. Hey, Coach Fred in the house. What's going on? Might just wreck me both ways. Yeah, I feel like that's what the market's doing to me too tonight. So I try not to touch my fundeds like Sunday night. I tend to start slinging contracts and then, hey Dylan, what's happening? You're long now, methodical. Yeah, you're probably right. That was a pretty bullish candle. Let's see how fast I can wreck this eval, I guess. Yeah, I ended up getting rebuild. So anyways, yeah, I ended up passing a bunch Friday that I have to activate. Flying in this 25k TPT eval, Dylan. Did you use the best code? The luckiest code, Dylan? Appreciate it. If you did, if you didn't, that's perfectly fine too. First trade tonight, wanted a lot, 1 MQ, then noticed P&L ended up ES mini, banded green. Little 50k a day at 50%. Day 2. Oh, we got golf masters tournament going on. The market makers are watching. I'm just kidding, Dylan. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm excited to have finally gotten those take profit trader codes. Like, if you guys know, I tried. Oof, boy, I ain't getting wrecked tonight. Nice trade, methodical. Um, I'm getting smoked. Um, yeah, if you guys know, I got denied 5 times from Take Profit Trader, and they finally approved me once we got to 1,000 subs. And Methodical Man and Trading with Travis and Terry Trades all wrote them letters saying, "Hey, give this Pine Tree guy a shot." So appreciate you guys doing that for me. It's a big deal. Boy, I am sucking wind here. I'm blaming it on the jet lag. Still sweating too. Oh, nice, Fred. Pass. Rory and Ross are in the hole for hole play. They're in tied. Wow. It's not snowing here. Nope. Not snowing here. It's not exactly warm, but it's not snowing. Well, you can check the local time. That might be a clue. Methodical's mad that I didn't come to Georgia. I do want to go to Georgia though. I want to go visit my buddy down in Savannah. How far is Savannah from you, Methodical? Oh, really? 3 hours? Wow. Oh, they're playing the Masters in Georgia? I'm glad I didn't go there. I'm watching gold here. This is see what I was saying about those trend line breaks on gold? Pretty nice break there, that trend line. That's a little trades by Slade action. You couldn't have gotten space for the private jet, no. God, the last flight I was just on, I had to take 2 flights, and the last flight I was on, I was stuck in that middle seat. Ugh. And it was lots of turbulence. It sucked. First class, no. Definitely not first class. Nice push up to the VWAP. Uh, GJ. That's kind of a tongue twister for me. GJ. 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. All look bullish. Probably going up tomorrow. Bullish right now, yeah. For sure. Oh, nice spread. Nice long. Nice long, guys. Long 12 minis. Nice, Fred. Nice work, buddy. Check out no private jet this time, no. Checking out that funded next futures. Make it bigger here. 25K, 50K, and 100K. That looks okay. It looks okay. This funded next futures. I don't know. Keep an eye on them. I try not to hop on new firms right off the bat, except Fast Track Trader. Kind of learned a lesson there, but I did make money with them, so wanted to check something on my funded futures. So my funded futures still got the 25% off starter plus plans, guys. April 14th it ends. So tomorrow it ends. You can use code PINE if you guys are on my funded futures. It's like $95 for the starter plus. So not bad. No consistency once funded. So not a bad deal. Yeah, I like TP2, Raylan. Blasting Map, MFU, and Austin Silver. Yeah. Well, Austin Silver's something. I'll just say that. Only down 217. Need to call it a winner. I'm not feeling the market right now. Methodical. I feel like I'm out of pocket. Get up so from Futures vs. Future. I haven't watched it yet, Fred. But yeah, I can't wait to watch it. Sunday nights, usually I watch that Futures for a Future. And them guys are fans of mine, which is kind of funny. But obviously I'm not controversial to get on that show. I need to like DM, I don't know, DM PW's girlfriend or something. Piss PW off. We are rallying higher right now, blasting through the VWAP, pushing up 9,040s. I think you just push the long button there, Methodical. Just push the long button. Buy market. Yeah, it's a huge firm in the forex space, so they have money behind them, not just some influence copy paste firm. Yeah, that's interesting, Andreas. Definitely gonna keep an eye out on them. Mad Max consistency rule. I think maybe you're asking about my funded futures. No consistency rule once funded, but there's a 50% consistency rule for the evaluations with the starter plus accounts. You want a TPT hat? Me too. Well, if you guys know, I've been crushing TPT this year, so it's like my funded futures from Forex, just there. See you as a tool, yeah. Austin Silver ain't racist. Yeah. I don't know. I just never cared for that guy. He seems just like a salesman, you know? Just not my cup of tea. Have you ever used Blue Sky trading prop firm? No. Kelly Ann promotes them all the time, Stone. They seem to be okay. I've never used them though. The only prop firm that I use that you guys don't see me using regularly is Trade Day. I used to be funded live with Trade Day before. I actually wouldn't mind maybe getting a Trade Day. You're on Blue Sky, Fred? Have you gotten the payout with Blue Sky? Rory won? Wow. That's pretty awesome. You don't like Blue Sky because they go live very fast? You like playing that prop game too, Fred, huh? Blue Ski. That's right. Blue Ski. Are you guys aware that the exemption that Trump have for the phones and computers China isn't included because this will have some kind of effect on the market. This will affect Nvidia, Apple, and more. Oh yeah, I kind of feel the same way, O'Dane. You know. Hey Tim, what's going on, buddy? Little breakout on See, why did Methodicals? Oh no, we would have taken a lot of heat. See, I was pretty sure he was trying to convince me that NASDAQ was going to dump off. So I got scared of my YM long, but boy, it really pulled back there at that top of the hour candle. And then just ripped, now it's ripping higher. So this market is really messing with me. I prefer the live versus sim funded, so I'm cool being there real fast. So yeah, so Stone, like, I'm definitely testing out the Take Profit Trader live, the Pro Plus. I haven't been live in the live account with a prop firm since Top Step back in the day and Trade Day. So this is going to be my experiment with a live account with the Take Profit Trader Pro Plus account. So I'm excited. Hopefully I can get it soon. I filled out the paperwork. I would imagine this week I'll have it. As soon as I get caught up with the pro accounts, and I'll probably work on the Pro Plus accounts, right? But yeah, it's nice. I mean, a little of both is fine. I mean, isn't the only advantage of the prop live account if you live in a high tax state to wait move before you take out? Yeah, I don't really know the advantages, Andreas, to be honest with you. What happened with me is I just kind of figured I might wait for a VWAP touch here. I'm gonna try it. Should we put on ATM strategy? So what happened with me is that on Friday I was like, 2 Fridays ago I was up $4,500 and the market was really moving and I was really feeling and grooving the market. So I was like, do I take out the payout or do I just send it and then see if they put me that Pro Plus? Kind of like what Terry Trades 100 did. Like a month ago, ended up getting 10K in that first day. So I ended up just like sending it, and then of course they liquidated me at 10K. So I said, heck with it. I'm gonna experiment with the Pro Plus account. Let's do it. But yeah, to me, Andreas, like it doesn't even matter. Pay up to me, like the whole like trading live versus prop funded accounts and all that stuff. Like to me, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Like those checks, those deposits go in my bank account just fine. So like my checking account literally does not care if it's a live account or a sim funded account. So, but the nice thing is that I with the live account, all right, we are long. I mean, this account could be wrecked. This is evaluation, guys. We got no bounce off that VWAP and the wick test. So that's what I was looking at. I was looking at a wick test and VWAP test. Kind of like a double banger there. So we'll see. Stop just below the whole number, 19,000. This account will be pretty much wrecked if we get stopped out here. But anyways, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but Mad Max, no, I don't copy trade. I take Profit Trader. It's one of the only ones I don't copy trade with. I copy trade within prop firms, each individual company. Like you'll see me copy trading like funded Apex accounts or my funded future accounts, things like that. Take Profit Trader, I don't copy trade them, but I trade my pro accounts very aggressively, 1 to 3 minis. So I don't copy trade them because if I fail one, then I go to the next one. That's what I do. So full transparency there. Not tax advice, not financial advice. But otherwise, you're just giving 20% to the firm, and it's worse tax-wise, payouts versus gains. Yes. Uncle Sam does, though. Yes. True, Andreas. But I have a tight stop, 2025 style, 150 points, tight stop. Yes. I know, I got a 30-point stop right here, and it feels close. But I kind of like where the stop is. But yeah, all I was looking for right here is a wick test, a little TBM style, and a VWAP bounce for a continuation. We did put in a little harami here. Hopefully we can take out the opposite side, the long side. I think if we do, we could get a little pop to our take profit. Nice 30-point pop, take profit. Could actually even go higher, but maybe target the wick up here, 165s. Let's do that. We take out this harami to the long side. I'll move my stop, break even. Kind of what I'm thinking. So my battery life, 49%. We're doing good. Can't believe I brought the wrong charger for my laptop. This sucks. I hate spending money on things that I already have. So now I gotta go buy a new charger. So I can stream tomorrow. And trade. If VWAP's in a different place, that's not good. Let me refresh. So it has been acting a little funny. Are you on MNQ or NQ ERF? That could make a difference, I guess. So I use the CE VWAP on Tradeovate. That's the one I always use. Hey, thanks, Yo Jim. Yeah, I know. Of all things, my charger. Probably costs more than what I paid for the laptop. Serious firm with real physical prop firm history. Oh, appreciate you, Yo Jim. But doesn't it feel good to know you can buy it like in our 20s? We would have been sweating paying $10 for charger we had at home. I know. And I just go to Best Buy and buy one probably. Probably could order one day, have 1 day shipping with Amazon. Ace mentorship. Oh yeah, well we try. I mean, I try my best. So I'm a big New York Open trader. I like trading from 9:30 to noontime. I can pretty much trade if we have good volatility. I can pretty much trade all day in New York. That's when I really get a good feel of the market. The market reopen is very difficult. So, and since I've started doing the stream, like I usually trade evaluations, and we pass a few. We do pass a few on the stream, and we also blow a few on the stream. And occasionally I'll trade funded accounts too. But yeah, I'm getting a little better at trading this market, but yeah, it hasn't been easy because I only started really trading this market once I started streaming. Because it's been really good for the stream because not many other people are on except Stock Tiger. So, but yeah, I am always rise. $103 people. Oh, thanks for letting me know, Amelia. I can't tell. Smash the like button for me, guys. Yeah, I can't tell on my phone. Excuse me. No pressure, right? I don't know. Let's see if we hold this VWAP here. This was the play. So the original play was the wick test and the VWAP test. And now we're breaking below the VWAP here. So, and I have been getting beat up tonight, big time. So weird. Seems like I got 2 evals for the price of 1 TPT. Oh, using the luckiest code, Coach Red. Hopefully. I'm just kidding. That's why. Don't you know? Got the best code in Take Profits trader history. I've been seeing major success far. So as far was 72 wins, 13 losses for last week. Hoping to keep the streak. Nice, Ace Mentor. So yeah, just keep doing what's working, man. You got those algo bots programmed or whatever you said. Honestly, the entire market open has been so volatile. Anytime to trade so good during the open. Yeah, it's been crazy. Oh, you rely on HFT algos. Okay, I gotcha. It's an old eval reset. I know, I got reset too. I got reset on Take Profit Trader 1 today. I did go through my accounts for the different prop firms, and this is not looking good. It's not looking good on this trade. Well, I like where our stop is, but man. Boy, this is a fade pine tree traded night to night. Apex is the only one that lets me leverage prop. Otherwise, I have to do it live. Yeah, shorties. I know what you mean. You mean with a larger size? Apex, I don't believe is having any sales on right now, are they? I've been out of the game here. An investor in the streets, but scalper in the sheets. You're running 2,300K PAs? Ace mentorship? That's pretty badass, actually. Oh, so you target 2 to 6 ticks on ES with 7 to 20 cons. Wow. Alright, this trade is not looking good. It's yeah, definitely go. I went for this this setup here, and then I have another setup here, 2 setups right here that it's going against, and it seems to be my night so far. Yeah, straight in the history. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the stop where it is, but I think you're right. Eval 2. So I think this eval cost me like 25 bucks, 28 bucks. So not that heartbroken out of it, but yeah, definitely not going my way. But we'll see if that holds at 19,000. We'll see. But I tend to agree with you, Australian history. We might meet my fate anytime now. You have to be crazy buying Apex accounts with no sale. Yeah, no, TJP, yeah. 75% off Buellanox right now, end of day. Option 2s, pretty good deal. And then the obviously My Funded Futures, 25% off the starter pluses. And then obviously the best deal, in my opinion, is the take profit trader. If you're a pretty consistent trader, if you're a new trader, $119 for an evaluation is quite a bit of money. So, but yeah, take profit trader, $119, 30% off, no activation fee. So, yeah, the $1 million question is, do we test the top of the wick or fill the gap first? I know. That is the $1 million question. YM did fill that gap. Which eval? Oh, this is an Apex eval. Austrian history. Austrian history. Not Australian. Austrian. Where's John Walk? Did I even see him? What's going on, John Walk? What's up, buddy? Oh, gain weight. I missed your... Oh, I'm not getting the messages. Gain weight, what's going on? Stop by to smash the like button. Remember, traders size down, give nothing back, Pine. Hey, thanks, gain weight. What's going on, buddy? Missing some messages, guys. Sorry. It was a nice run up, but I was looking for a little more. See if we hold that 19,000. Don't look good. I think I just need to be patient with the inside bars and haramis on the market reopen, the Asia markets. Because every time this happens where I'm in a trade, like a more discretionary trade, so like a VWAP bounce or something like that, or a wick test, we got stopped out on that. This account is 700 from being cooked. And then it puts in something like this for a nice short play, and then it's like, what? And then you go, what am I doing? Does desk have light? Ooh, it does have light. How's that look? Hey, look at that. You can see me. Oh, more light. There we go. Look at that. I got a whole studio going on here. I think we're going down, Solhail. Buying tops. Yeah, that's exactly what I did, Nicholas. You've been using a 1040 tick chart on the Asia Globex. Seems to have more accurate moves early. I saw Alpine kind of strategy hopping the other day with a using tick charts. I'm gonna grab another snack. Be right back. Oof. Just knock over the desk. Yeah, it kind of looks like we're pushing down. Yeah, Alpine switched to 1500 ticks, rocks ticks on Friday. Huh. You guys hear that? It was knocked over the desk. A squeaky chair too. I'm in a real high quality hotel, guys. Real high quality. Oh, nice Ace mentorship. It didn't leave the light on for me to sign up. No. Look at YM here. I'm pushing down. NASDAQ pushing down. ES pushing down. Do we fill this gap? That is the question. I use a 15-second or a 30-second instead for execution time frame. You see more gaps more clearly. Yeah, Fred. Yeah. I tried to look at it that one day. Gold looks like it wants to sell. My game has evolved drastically since I stopped using tick charts a few months ago. Oh, so you went from tick charts to the 15-second, 30-second chart. I need to go Asia. You will all service high quality as well. And room service, if you know what I mean. War. Yeah, I do want to go to war. War. I don't want to go to war. I want to go to Asia. I'm working on. I have a lot of travel anxiety, so I've been working on that myself. So taking small trips, small doses and stuff to try to like help with that. That's kind of what I've been doing. I'm someone that is from Maine and never went south of Boston for like 30 years. So go to Japan, you'll be shocked. Yeah, I'd love to. I really want to. It's on my bucket list, but how many ticks is the spread? Not that much tonight, actually. Discipline trader. Maybe a point. Thanks, Eddie. I've been in Thailand and Vietnam with trading. It's way better. The trading stuff doesn't help us get out either. No, it doesn't. And the streaming. The streaming too. A lot of times in the morning, like I can make like on a Friday, like when I take Fridays off, guys, like I make a few trades in the morning. Maybe I'm done in like maybe an hour and then whatever, and then I end up. But if I'm streaming, I tend to stream for a few hours. For the stream. Any men go to Asia, we want to come back and stay there. Yeah. I don't know how you do the streaming New York and Asia. Yeah, it's been a bit of an adjustment, Amelia, but I enjoy it. And then I try not to like overstream, you know. But I know this stream has not been going good for my trading. Getting beat up. So weird, Coach Fred. So that, yeah. I think the dashboard is Something wacky going on with that dashboard right now. I don't know what's going on. Since I started day trading, I've developed an allergy to sunlight. I know. I need some sunlight bad. Wow, nice push up here. It's tax week, guys. April 15th. Filed an extension. Yeah, it really does, Amelia. I think they're gonna work on it. I think that's might be part of the problem, but definitely having growing pains. I mean, with that no fee 30, I mean everyone's on take profit trader right now. Everyone's jumping on board. You worried Apex will straight up ban you from their platform? Yeah. Yeah, I worry about that with a lot of props actually. That's pretty amazing, Ace mentorship. I love that you're trading 2,300K accounts. It's pretty awesome. First, Take Profit Traders is the first one you've ever traded, Amelia? Wow. Oh, you just started with props in 2023, but then you were trading your personal account. I take it before the. I still have one grandfather to eval the pass from Take Profit Trader from the Black Friday 40 off, no activation. Wow. They didn't say they were hiring. That's interesting. Yeah, I know, Andreas. Yeah, they did it to you, right? That's pretty amazing, Amelia. Good for you, though. Yeah, my very first prop firm was um Top Step. That was my very first one. It was the only one I trusted in 2021. All right, now I'm cold. Yeah. So we are pushing up towards the VWAP. Main thing they explained to me is they put on too much risk, making me live, and my demands for 150K and live funding was way too high for them. So they were stalemate ace mentorship. That's interesting. So you're a savage, dude. Hey, go for that multi-million dollar payout. 20 accounts. Mad Max, which broker would you say is the best for personal account? All right, well, not financial advice, but if you use Tradeovate or something like that, I would just stick with like Tradeovate, Ninja Trader. Um, they're fine for brokers. Some people use AMP on here. Some people use Iron Beam if you use Rhythmic Connections. Yes, Dorman. I always get that confused. Let's see. At least the James guy seems like he knows what he's doing and not going on Discord doxing and screaming racist stuff and says he's not a racist, like the greatest guy. Yeah. for sure. Design. Former hockey player, right? Professional hockey player. Yeah, Amelia, that's what I was explaining in my video. You know, you pay 100 bucks and then you can get like I paid $119 for that pro account. So my last video I put it out over the weekend, and then it's like you get all that leverage, 3 minis on the 25K account, and then I took that account for I don't know, 12, $13,000 in payouts already, and plus I got the Pro Plus account. So, you know, semi-financial advice. That's right. Yeah, I mean, if you use Tradeovate Mad Max, then I would stick with it. Yeah, even less than 119, right? Yeah, it was like 109 or something. Hey, Helicopter Tech, what's happening? What's going on, buddy? I personally use Charles Schwab Ace Mentorship for long-term investments. One of my favorite brokers. I enjoy Tradeovate because of their live spreads being the best on live. Yeah, yeah, I agree with you, Zabak. NQ cup and handle on the 5 minute. Kind of rejecting off that VWAP. The top of the hour coming in. 8 o'clock Eastern. Hey, Sean Mahoney, what's going on? How's it going? Yeah, that's the thing, Mad Max. We have some awesome traders in this community. Awesome awesome people with lots of experience. There's traders in here, they're way better traders than me. And people have been trading a lot longer than me. So I love it. I love all the knowledge. We can help each other out. It's been great. I wonder if I can share the Discord here. So if you guys want to join the Discord, trying to do it off my phone here. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's 100% free. It's our Discord we got there. If you guys want to join up, starting to grow quite largely. Forgot to mention. Oh, I already read that. NFA though. Don't have any funded accounts at the moment, but have a position of gold in the top set combine. Nice, Sean. Yeah, gold was moving pretty good tonight. Sideways now. We had that big really got down. Hey D, what's up? Back in the US of A, huh? Steak is expensive, so aren't eggs apparently. D. It's hard to believe we are looking at gold around 2850-ish, saying it was going to 3,000. Here we are at 30. I know. It's So many people were asking me, like, should I buy gold? Should I buy gold, like, in my personal life, you know? I'm like, I don't know. Cows got hit by the tariff. I eat venison, so mostly. Yeah, guys, feel free to join the Discord there. James, thank you for joining. 100% free. A lot of good traders in here. I like to post updates like that I might not have posted, like me on the plane today. It's much easier for me to post on here than it is on YouTube or whatever. And it's all free, guys. It's all free. I'll never try to sell you guys anything, you know? I'll never try to sell you guys anything. If you get a message from me on Discord or a friend request, it's not me. Kids love venison helicopter? Nice. Oh, I don't know anything about the 6E stuff. Now he said the 8 trader that he was going to take out 2 million out of Apex could be the guy that used the treasury glitch. Oh, yeah, I don't know anything about that. Beef is dirt cheap where I live, so he mostly we live in Texas or something. Ace mentorship. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. I heard so I was traveling last Monday. I didn't even know there was an NQ glitch like on Tradeovate. I didn't even know about it. So someone told me. I'm in a hotel, D. Unknown location. Discord is the new Facebook. I know. I never even heard of Discord until like 2 years ago. I swear. But then it was like that was like how I got all the news. You know, for the prop firms. That's how I got all the news. So you're from Nebraska? Ace mentorship, nice. I'm just going to eat pork chops, pork belly until I get back to Asia. I'll buy ribeye New York strip probably once a week when it's 10 pounds or $10 a pound or less. So nice. It's a secret, Josh. Secret. I was on Telegram with what's his face? Tom Hugard's Telegram. I never heard of Telegram either. I got on that Telegram with Tom Hugard. Same with TikTok, Fred. I wasn't on TikTok until I got I started streaming and created my channel. So guys, you can follow me on TikTok if you want. Yeah, going to do something at home, Josh. For sure. You're not wrong about that, buddy. I wish, Dylan. No. Do I? No, Dan. Unfortunately, no. Wow, what a bounce there. So 8 o'clock here, Eastern time. You just had lunch in Nashville? Nice. You took a flight just to go eat some barbecue? That's amazing, D. No, unfortunately, Dan, I don't think there's a way. I wish I was a bigger influencer, Dan. I'd help you out, but they don't even know who I am. So yeah, I'm curious what happened, buddy. I got a new traveling laptop, Josh, but then I forgot the charger. Well, I didn't forget the charger. I brought the wrong charger. I brought the charger for my Chromebook, and now I have to go buy a charger for this HP laptop because yeah, I brought the wrong stupid charger. I know, and I hate that, Josh. Whereas like I hate buying things that I already have, you know. I'm I'm a few states away, Josh. Like if you just understand your frustration is the entire reason I go HFT uggles. I couldn't stand how unfair the market treats people waiting for full setups. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, Nutty might be able to help you. Some of the bigger influences. I know. I don't know what happened, Dan, but Nutty. Nutty has an inside phone number for sure. I wish I did. Someday, hopefully, if I'm still around. You email me a charger. I'm wondering if they have same day delivery Amazon. That would be ideal. But I'll get one for tomorrow so I can stream tomorrow. I'll definitely be back tomorrow. I'm not buying anything here on out unless it's USB-C. Yeah, that's what I heard. Everything's being switched to that, right? Design. This is the this one has the round charger, and my Chromebook has a USB-C, I think. This HP has the round plug. So yeah, I gotta find one. I'm sure someone has one. I'm in a bigger city, so I'm sure I can get one. I hope so, Amelia. That's gonna be my mission here as soon as I get off stream. So we got beat up on this eval tonight, guys. I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys tonight. Yeah, return the whole thing, right? Say I need a new one. No, I don't really trade much. I don't trade funded accounts on Sunday night, D. I try not to. Not to say that I haven't. But yeah, I have a bunch of funded accounts that I got to activate too with Apex. And no, I have not got my Pro Plus account yet, Trades by Slade. No, I did fill out the paperwork, so hopefully. But I heard some people are actually still waiting on their Pro accounts from like last Thursday. Someone mentioned in the chat. So yeah, TPT is going through a little growing pains with their popularity. Rightfully so. It's one of the better prop firms out there, in my opinion. Trades by Slade just qualified for a Pro Plus account too. So congratulations, Trades by Slade out there slaying the TPT. If you guys want to get another TPT account or whatever, you can, while the no activation fee is still going on, you can use my code PINE now. I finally have a Take Profit Trader code after 5 attempts. They finally approved me, so really appreciate you guys have been using my code. So now you guys can use for My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Apex, and Bulanox, which is 75% off right now. Bulanox, is it 75 or 73? Double check that. Option 2s, which is the end of days. You could use code PINE for all those prop firms. Maybe. No, it's not really loading. Mad Max, thank you for joining the Discord. Yay, thank you for joining the Discord. M. Naceris, can't pronounce your name, sorry. Thanks for joining the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. Put the link again. If you guys want to join the Discord, 100% free. No catch. Just building a nice community of traders. Yeah, yo, Jim. Yeah, you're not wrong there, buddy. I gotta get a VPN. Yeah, pretty good Wi-Fi so far. Seems to be working for the stream, so it makes me happy. But yeah, I gotta get a charger. Yeah, I know, that's the problem, Andreas. That is the problem. Proton's a good VPN. All right. I'll, noted, Josh. Thank you. Yeah, what did James from Take Profit Trader say? He says that that when they see a VPN and it's a red flag on their system. I don't know, when he was being interviewed on Patrick Whelan's stream. He said something like that. Tradeify, yeah. So if you guys are using Tradeify, you gotta use my link and my code, the default code Spring. If you guys want to use my code there, help support the channel, help support my baby channel. Hey, Valletta Beats. Oh, you got someone on the book map messing around. Kelly Ann is live. Josh, you over there trolling Kelly Ann? Oh wow, it's 1,000 lot up there, 6250. Wow, look at that. 1,000 lot up there sitting at 62.50. Very interesting. So they did this a few Sundays ago too, Valletta Beats. They did that. They were throwing around 400 lots, and they had a few 400 lots, and then have a 200 lot, upwards of like almost 1,000 lots. I don't think I ever saw 1,000 total, but yeah, they were throwing that around. It's like we're headed there. We're headed for that 62.50. Do they pull it? Oops. I wanted to watch that. Shoot. Sorry. They are spoofing. Well, they're moving it up. They're moving it up. Just the same thing as they did last, like maybe like 4 weeks ago. It's the same thing they did. Hey, yo, Jim Hogan, thank you for joining. He Kane, 60-hour TDR. Thanks for joining the Discord, guys. Building that community, love it. Wow, and then the market is just completely reacting to it, pushing up higher. Cranston White, what's happening? I don't know too much about Bookmap actually, Cranston. I just when you get then they moved up to 9,100 now. Amazing, isn't it? It's amazing. I want to take a short though until we 940s again personally. ESP with the spoof for driving price up. Say hi to Kellyanne's doing giveaways, huh? The Discord link, let me see. I'll post it again here. Cranston. So I actually got smoked on his eval tonight, guys. I blame it on the jet lag. Go to the food tab. So yeah, I do put some food pick stuff. Nice, Andreas. So if you got, that's a pretty awesome barbecue, Andreas. So yeah, if you guys want to put some food picks just for fun, you know, on the Discord, if you guys are foodies, those are a place to show a picture of yourself. We got Big Cat here. We got Anders, Yoma, well, it's posting bread. Oh, Chef Chris. So this is before I had the food pick. This is what made me put the food pick thing on there. And we got, I believe this is Nate. Yeah, there's Nate. We got Chef Chris. We got Brian. We got myself. If you guys want to post a picture of yourself, you don't have to. Just to show that we are actually real people. And so it's still pushing up. It's Big Cat, yeah. Yeah, he's on there. Looks like his family. Couple handle, 960 done for the night. Nice helicopter. I'm using TradingView through Tradeovate and wonder if it gets smoother with an upgraded account. I don't know. I've never used TradingView in my life, Tim. Never once. Used Tradeovate for years, but yeah, nice good eye. Have to get that Texas barbecue going while it's still nice out down here. Yeah, that's definitely interesting, and Andreas, where you're not looking forward to summer because it gets too hot, and everyone around me is looking forward to summer. I mean, I had a pretty good snowstorm yesterday, so it's better to trade on Tradeovate. Is lag between TradingView and TradingView and Tradeovate. Yeah, Paul, I've heard that too. Discord confuses me, yo, Jim. Yeah, it's just a place to like right now it's showing all the people that joining, but it's a place to show up some strategies, setups, and this is the main talk room. So whatever you guys want to talk about, trading or whatever, about prop firms, personal accounts, whatever. Just chat with each other 24 hours a day. As long as everyone's respectful, we're all good. And yeah. All my gadgets dying. My phone's dying. My computer's dying. Everything's dying. I'm back here at 19,050. Wasn't a good night for me. Trading trading this eval. I definitely got chopped up. Definitely trying to push higher Valletta beats. I'm sure it's trying to chase that 1,000 lot. For sure. But it's alright. I mean, we'll see what we can do again tomorrow. If you guys do me a favor, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Even when I'm traveling. I'm sorry I was late today. But I really appreciate you guys still coming in and hanging out and supporting my channel. Over 1,000 subs now. It's pretty awesome. So if you guys would like to support the channel, use code PINE. It's free to use and just helps me out and the channel. For My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Apex, and Belanox. So I'm a little tired, not gonna lie, and been traveling all day. So I usually finish around this time anyway, and I'm starving. I want to go get something to eat somewhere. So, and take a shower. Man, traveling all day, nothing better than a nice hot shower after. TMI, I know, guys. Nice hot shower after traveling. Nothing better than that. But alright, guys. Well, I'm going to call it there. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be streaming tomorrow. So, but yeah, appreciate you guys using my code PINE, and I will catch you guys later, man. Appreciate you guys hanging out. All right, guys. Peace. Have a good night. Trade safe. I will see you in tomorrow. Thanks, guys.